We shot down 4 Iranian drones on May 27th. We destroyed the ground control station that was about to launch the 5th, but we left the launch infrastructure around it standing. That was not an oversight. That is the doctrine of graduated response, and it is the most dangerous game in modern warfare. American forces intercepted and shot down 4 Iranian one-way attack drones near Bandar Abbas. Then, targeting confirmed a 5th, still on the ground, fueled, control station active, seconds from launch. We struck the control station. The drone never left the ground. American officials described the actions as measured, purely defensive, and intended to maintain the ceasefire. Sit with that. 3 words in that statement carry the entire engineering logic of what our military is doing right now. Measured, purely defensive, intended to maintain, not end, not win, maintain. Each one of those words is a deliberate signal to Iran's military planners about exactly how far America is willing to go and exactly where it will stop. The launch infrastructure left standing is not mercy, it is a lever. Here is the engineering of graduated response, and why leaving infrastructure standing is strategically more powerful than destroying it. When a military force eliminates every target in a theater simultaneously, the adversary has nothing left to lose and no reason to change behavior. When a force eliminates precisely what threatened it, the drones in the air and the station about to launch another, and leaves the broader infrastructure intact, it sends a message with 2 parts simultaneously. Part 1, we can reach this. Part 2, we chose not to destroy all of it today. That choice creates a decision point for Iran. Every piece of infrastructure still standing is a hostage to Iran's next decision. The math gets worse. Hours after we showed that restraint, Iran launched a ballistic missile toward Kuwait, successfully intercepted. Same night. The infrastructure we left standing is now at greater risk than it was on May 27th. Read that again. We showed restraint. Iran fired a ballistic missile at an American ally within hours. That is the doctrine working exactly as designed. The launch site still standing is not a target we missed, it is a message we sent. Iran read it, and then decided to test it anyway. Every piece of infrastructure that survives our next decision will tell us everything we need to know about whether Iran understands the mathematics of graduated response, or whether they have decided the infrastructure is expendable after all. That is not a ceasefire. That is a countdown, with infrastructure still attached to it.